Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a wonderful South Indian side dish for rice. This is coconut mango pachadi. It's something similar to chutney and the main ingredients are coconut and mango. So why wait, let's get started and check it out. For the coconut mango pachadi, it is important to use only sour tasting raw mangoes. Only then it will taste good. So I have taken the local variety available to me here. You can just pick whichever varieties you find in your place. You have to first clean it well, peel off the skin and cut it into small pieces. Since we will be putting this in a mixer jar anyways, there is no need to cut it finely. Just roughly chopping it is enough. So now I'm putting approximately 1 cup of mango pieces in a mixer jar. To this quantity, you can add about 3/4 cup of grated fresh coconut. I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now just add 2 teaspoons of water to grind all the ingredients. So now if you see, this is a good consistency and it's in a chutney consistency, not too runny or watery. This is the right texture we should look for. So the pachadi is ready. I'm just transferring it into a nice serving bowl. At this point, you can taste for seasoning and add a little salt or chili powder if required. To enhance the taste of this pachadi, you need to add the tempering ingredients. For tempering, I'm taking 2 teaspoons of oil in a small tempering pan. To this, add 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urud dal, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 4 to 5 red chilies cut into half and half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Saute these well. It'll be nice if we add a few curry leaves to this, since they will add a wonderful flavor. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, you can simply transfer the whole tempering to the pachadi. The tangy and spicy coconut mango pachadi is ready to be served. It's a great side dish for hot rice, so you can have it with a little ghee on top and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. If you like, you can also enjoy it with some nice idlis or dosas. This coconut mango pachadi is full of flavor and it's so delicious. You can enjoy it with some nice rice and ghee. You can also try it with some idlis or dosas if you like. Since it's a nice fresh pachadi, you can store it for up to 2 days in the refrigerator. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.